that one. Hold on, chat. Let me turn up my mic real quick. Yeah, that's better. Make it a little bit louder. Is that good? Hopefully, because I'm not turning up any louder. I mean, I mean. Chat, it's too easy, bro. It's a literal IRL money glitch, bro. Trading is a money glitch. I started trading literally 4 months, probably 4 months to the date now. And wowzers, I just took a $6,000 payout. Dude, if you don't have conviction in this shit, what are you doing? I don't want to say like I'm awestruck because like this was literally the game plan. We have these payouts probably going to go through within 24 hours max because I used Wise this time. Last time I took a payout, I used an ACH transfer and it took fucking forever. Pro tip: when you take your payouts from Top Step, just get Wise. Literally, that shit took so long when I used a bank transfer. It literally took me I didn't think I was going to get paid out because it took 2 weeks for me to get my fucking payout. But I'm so gassed up, chat. Super duper cool. We're making super good progress on taking 10K out this month. We've already made over $10,000. We've made 12K so far, but again, you know how payouts work. I can only take out half at a time. What else is there to say, chat? I'm him. Who else who's been on YouTube? I've documented my whole trading journey on YouTube. You can go back to, there was never really a point I was unprofitable. I turned profitable my first 30 days. And now here we are, what is that, 30 days later? Like 45 days later, and I'm taking a $6,000 payout. I mean, it sounds like I'm gloating, but chat, it's a money glitch. What are we talking about? I push buy and sell on charts because candlesticks, and I take a fucking 6 bando payout? For somebody who's making $25 an hour, working 40 hours a week, I did the math, that's 2 months worth of work. And your boy took that home. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. You can see I'm also fresh off work. Like, I'm still sweaty. I got dirt on me because I weld for a living. I think that's new lore. I don't think I've ever dropped that on the channel. But yeah, I weld for a living, and I take most of my trades when I'm at work. And it's just crazy to see that we're taking home $6,000 in one go. I guess we can also review the trade that I took while we're here. It was an A plus, or no, it was like a B setup. I almost took an A plus setup. But dude, looking back, I should have taken that fucking trade. But we secured a payout, and I wanted to take the payout, so I ended up not taking a trade that I knew was super duper gas. Again, simply for the reason that I wanted to lock in this payout. So let me get this in here. Where did we? I'm not editing this out either. I just took a $6,000 payout. Can't anybody tell me shit. We were looking for longs today because we sold off a ton these past few days. I'm gonna make this really, really quick because I have shit that I want to do, and I just took a huge payout. So I don't really want to look at the charts right now, but we put in an SMT with where are we at? Are we here? Did I take this trade on ES or NASDAQ? I'm trying to remember now. It looks like we would have taken it. No, we took this one on NASDAQ because these are the lows that didn't get touched by NASDAQ. So we put in an SMT, and I was waiting for this literally all day. This is I almost caught this move, but this is a 4-hour low that NASDAQ also ended up tapping into. But I did have this charted out. We ended up getting there in the long run, but we were super oversold. I didn't think that price wanted to go any lower because there's literally no significant draws on liquidity. Like, if you look on the higher time frames, we ran every single bit of sell side liquidity that we possibly had. So I was pretty confident price wanted to go higher and rebalance going into tomorrow because today was also a bank holiday. So NASDAQ failed to take out these highs. Did I enter on a 15-second, do we think? Because I've been experimenting with 15-second entries, but no, I think I entered on a 1-minute inversion here. Yeah, I think I entered on this 1-minute inversion of this fair value gap. I had my stops at the lows of this SMT, and I took this trade all the way to these highs up here. Ended up closing a little bit early because there was a temporary SMT put in with ES that ended up not holding. But this SMT did hold, and this was the second trade that I almost took. We put in this SMT, and this actually was an A+ setup, but I decided not to get greedy. You can see we have ES failing to take out this high right here. We're also inside of a higher time frame 15-minute imbalance, 15-minute SIBI that each time we've touched, we've had a bearish reaction to. We also tapped into a premium for the range, for our daily range. And then we have a 1-minute change in the state. I guess that was actually before, but whatever. We inverse. There was a lot of opportunity for entry here. I just ended up not taking this trade, which kind of sucks because this ended up being an A+ setup. But regardless, that was the trade that I took today. This was a super fun trade to be a part of because it was just straight up the whole time. I almost added contracts because I noticed that I have it even marked out here at this blue line. This would have been a 5-minute change in the state following an inversed fair value gap. I actually wanted to see us retrace into this 5-minute imbalance and have a bullish reaction so I could double my position because I risked 900 because I lost $1,000 in the Asia session yesterday being a dummy. But regardless, yeah, that's basically the day for today. Moral of the story, guys, go all in on trading. This shit is unreal. Literal real life money glitch. I've had these accounts for 5 days and we're taking a 6K payout. I mean, what do you want me to say? If I had 5 50K accounts instead of 3, that'd be a 10K payout. If I was on 150K accounts, these would probably be 5 max. That'd probably be a $25,000 payout. Just going to leave it at that.